Good day, my name is Hans Johnson P. Ferrer, fourth year architecture student in University of Nueva Cáceres. Why is research important in architectural design? So research is essential in architectural design because it ensures that creative ideas are grounded in real-world conditions, user needs, and environmental responsibility. Architecture is not only about producing visually appealing forms, it requires a deep understanding of site context, climate, materials, structural systems, building codes, and cultural factors. Through research, architects can justify their design using data, case studies, and theoretical frameworks rather than relying solely on intuition. It also allows designers to identify existing problems, explore innovative solutions, and respond effectively to sustainability challenges. By integrating research into design, architecture becomes more functional, resilient, and socially responsive, ultimately contributing to long-term community well-being and environmental balance. That's all. Thank you.